Hey, how's it going, guys? It's kkletsgo here, and today I'm gonna share with you a very simple trick on how to post Instagram photos straight from your computer using nothing but Google Chrome. So only Google Chrome browser to post photos on Instagram straight from your computer. So bear in mind, a little bit over 6 months ago, maybe even a year ago, Instagram stopped supporting importing, or if you want to say publishing photos through the Universal Windows Store app they published for the Windows 10. Because of that, a lot of people have complained that using Instagram on their Windows desktops or laptops is not very good because although they can look at other people's pictures, they cannot post their own pictures. Well, now there's an actual way how you can handle this problem because, as a matter of fact, it turns out that you can actually do upload photos on Instagram from your personal computer. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to show you this very quick tip on how to do it. Okay, so all you need to have is an Instagram account, which most of you probably already do have. What you want to do is you want to go to Google Chrome. And as you will see here, this is Instagram, and this is my Instagram, and this is a meme here, as all of you, I'm sure, following a lot of meme pages and crap like that. And then what happens is, if you look at this screen here, you will notice that there is no plus button. You cannot click anywhere to upload a photo. You can scroll up, down, some house of highlights there, a lot of this kind of stuff, but you cannot unfortunately post any photos. Well, there's a very, very simple way to fix that, right? What you want to do is you want to right click anywhere in Chrome, and then you want to click inspect. You can also do Control Shift I to do this. After clicking inspect, you're going to get a sort of a different view here, and this view actually shows you what's written behind the web page you're looking at. So this is the text which actually makes this web page happen. In my case, the device toolbar is turned on, but most likely this button here will not going to be blue. So what you're going to be looking at is a non-blue, a gray button like this one here, essentially looking like this. So what you want to do is you want to click this button, and it says to toggle device toolbar. What this means is that if you click this button, or once you click this button, Google Chrome will try to imitate a device, a mobile device on your computer. And this is really, really great because right now, if you take another look, so right now this is Instagram for your desktop, but then if you click here, boom, you get Instagram for mobile phones essentially, right? And then the beautiful part is that you can change the layout any way you want. So you can do Galaxy S5, Pixel 2. If we click Pixel 2, it changes. If we click iPad, it changes again. Of course, you can click responsive, and then you can play with it any way you want. But that's not the important thing. The important thing is once you do this, you're still not going to be able to post photos. As you can see, there's still not that famous plus button. Don't worry. All you need to do is reload the page. That's all you need to do, and boom, there you go. There's that plus button. You click here, and right there we open a certain a last folder we had. We can go, here's my photos from Hong Kong, and you can choose a photo, any photo really. You can double click there, boom, and the photo is posted. And just so you trust me, the process, as they say, we can go double click on this photo, and there you have it. You will not be able to edit it, but you will be able to apply filters to your photo. Of course, most people probably don't want to do this. If you're posting from a computer, you probably have a Lightroom photo which you already developed, right? But maybe you don't, and if you want to do that, it is possible. It is possible to add filters. For instance, again, another photo from my trip to Hong Kong. You can, of course, change the photo any way you want. You can click here. Pretty much all the same stuff you can do on your cell phone, you can do here, apart from the edits, which isn't that bad, right? You click next, and then you write a caption, you add a location. Essentially, you do all the same stuff that you can do on your phone. So let's say that we want to post this photo, and then we go here and we write amazing hashtag Hong Kong, right? And if you will notice that even the hashtags work. And then you get add a location. You're gonna say Hong Kong nursery because this is where it was taken. But then this is not a good, all right, whatever. We're just gonna put Hong Kong there, right? And we put that there, and we click share, and boom, the photo has been shared now, and it's sharing and sharing, and there you go. That's my Instagram profile. If we turn this off, and we actually turn off the inspection tool and we reload the page, what's going to happen is we're going to go back to the desktop version of the website. However, we will see this photo which we just posted, proving again that you can post all those photos from your desktop as well. There you have it, folks. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please click that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos. This is a young channel, however, it's going to be filled with this kind of stuff, tips, tricks, dirty, quick and dirty, as I call it in the previous video, stuff that really can help you bring your photography game to another level. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and hope to see you in the next one. Cheers. We'll be right back.